Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss the problems from chapter 5, that is continuity and differentiability, which were asked in the question paper of 2020. And from this chapter the first question was question number 22, which was x is equal to 80 square, y equal to 280, then find d2y by dx square. To find the solution of such problem, first we have to see what type of problem it is. You have been given x equal to 80 square, this we can take equation number 1, and y equal to 280, we can take it as equation number 2. See, this is a problem of parametric type. So in parametric differentiation we have to see the parameter here is t. So we have to differentiate both with respect to t. So we write differentiating 1 with respect to t. We will have dx upon dt is equal to a into 2t. We know differentiation of t square is 2t. So this comes as 280. Now we differentiate 2 with respect to t, and we will have dy by dt equal to 2a into 1, derivative of t is 1, and that is 2a. To find out dy by dx, we have to divide dy by dt by dx by dt, and we get here this is 2a upon 280, which comes as 1 upon t. Now when we differentiate this dy by dx with respect to t, but we have to differentiate it with respect to x. So when we differentiate with respect to x here, differentiating with respect to x, we will have d2y by dx square equal to, this is a function of t. So we will differentiate with respect to t, this is minus 1 upon t square, but we have to multiply dt by dx also in this, if you know the chain rule. And we put the value of dt by dx from here. This comes as minus 1 upon t square into 1 upon 280. And the answer here comes as minus 1 upon 2a t cube. This is the answer of this particular problem. And the next question from this chapter in this paper was question number 28 from section C. If y equal to e power x square into cos x plus cos x whole power x, then find dy by dx. To find the solution of such problem, what we do, we take y equal to e to the power x square into cos x plus cos x whole power x. We can consider this part as y1 and this as y2 to differentiate them separately. So we can write here, let y1 is equal to e to the power x square into cos x and y2 equal to cos x whole power x. So we will differentiate them separately and add the derivative to find dy by dx. So what we do first? We go for y1 is equal to e power x square into cos x, which can be easily differentiated with respect to x by using chain rule. Need not go for logarithmic differentiation. So when we differentiate this, we will find differentiating with respect to x. We find here dy1 by dx is equal to e to the power function of x into derivative of function of x, that is x square into cos x. You know the chain rule. And then it comes as e to the power x square into cos x, and the derivative of this is, we have to use the product rule, x square into d by dx of cos x, which is minus sin x, plus cos x into derivative of x square, which is 2x. And now we can take x common from this. This will be e to the power x square into cos x into x, and here it comes as minus x sin x plus 2 cos x. This is the derivative of y1. Similarly, we go for y2. When we write y2 here, y2 is cos x whole power x. Then we have to go for logarithmic differentiation in such case. And when we take the logarithm of both the sides, We will write here log of y2 will be equal to log of cos x to the power x. And we know the formula that log of m power n is equal to n log of m. And if we apply that here, will it be equal to x into log of cos x? And when we differentiate this now with respect to x, differentiating with respect to x, we will have 1 upon y2 into dy2 by dx equal to, apply the product rule, that is x into d by dx of log of cos x is 1 upon cos x into d by dx of cos x is minus sin x, plus log of cos x into d by dx of x, that is 1. And we can write this as minus x into tan x plus log of cos x. But this y2 is to be multiplied there, then only we will get dy2 by dx. So we can write here, therefore dy2 by dx is equal to y2 into minus x tan x plus log of cos x, and y2, we know the value of y2, that is we can write cos x whole power x into log of cos x. First we can write the positive part, minus x tan x. This is the derivative of y2. Now can we write, therefore dy by dx is equal to dy1 by dx plus dy2 by dx. And we substitute those values. The first one was e to the power x square into cos x into x into 2 cos x minus x sin x plus cos x whole power x into log of cos x minus x tan x. This is the way we get the answer to this type of problem. Like this we can find the solution of such problem of derivative. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any doubt or comments, leave them in the comment box and I'll get back to you.